Revu supports digital certification of PDFs and digitally signing PDFs. These two actions have some similarities and can be done at the same time, but they are distinct. While digital certification confirms the accuracy of a document and locks it, a digital signature is an independently validated signature used to approve the current state of the document. Revu allows you to create a markup version of your written signature, but a digital signature goes a bit further, providing a unique digital ID to verify its authenticity. To add a digital signature to your document, select Tools, Signature, then Sign Document. You'll then be given a crosshair cursor to create a signing box for the signature. Before you can sign the document, you'll first need to select your digital ID. If you have one, click Browse. You can also create one using the PKCS number 12 format, a format accepted by most security applications and web browsers. Or create a digital ID in the Windows Certification Store, where it is available to Windows applications. Either of these will work. Revu will automatically detect digital IDs installed in e-tokens, USB dongles, or in your Windows Certification Store. Regardless of the method you choose, you'll need to enter some identifying information and usage parameters. If you have selected the PKCS number 12 option, you will also want to select the save location and create a password to secure it. With that ID created, click OK to continue. Your new digital ID is selected. You can add options like the reason for signing off on the document, some options for which are included, the location, and any additional contact information. You could edit the existing appearance settings, but in this case, select New. This brings up the Signature Appearance menu. Here you can add a graphic or a name, decide what text options will appear, and where on the signature itself. When you've selected the options you want for a signature, you can then click OK to sign the document. You will be prompted to save the document, and once it is saved, the signature is added to the document. Once the document has been signed, any changes will invalidate the signature. Should you need to sign multiple documents, you can use the Batch Sign and Seal option to do so. Go to Batch, Sign and Seal. You will then see the Files dialog box, where you can add files, folders, or sets, or load previously created batches of documents. Click Next to continue. The Batch Sign and Seal dialog box opens. Click on the Dialog Signatures checkbox to add a signature to the document. While the setup is a bit different, it features all of the same options as signing an individual signature, as well as the option to manually place the signature if necessary. There are also additional date and seal options, which you can add if you'd like to the documents. Be sure to log in to the digital ID. In the Preview pane at the right, you can move and resize the signature to add it to the portion of the document that you want. You can use the Page Size drop-down to select the location for each of others that you've added to your batch of files. Click OK. You will see a warning about making changes to multiple files. Click OK to continue, and the documents will be processed. You can open them and see that the signatures have been updated.